Hello, welcome to Graceful Grammar Lessons. This lesson will cover the words which and which. Let's look at each one individually. Which, a determiner used to ask questions or introduce clauses, typically when selecting from a defined set. For example, which book do you prefer? I don't know which movie to watch. Which, a noun that refers to a person, usually a woman believed to have magical powers, often associated with folklore and fantasy. For example, the witch cast a spell on the village, referring to a magical character. She dressed up as a witch for Halloween, referring to a traditional Halloween costume. To summarize, which is used for asking questions or making choices. Determiner. Which, a magical woman. Noun. If you're talking about choices or options, use which. If you're referring to a magical character, use which. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a lesson.